What's up, baby? So this is our drainage ditch. It's flowing like a friggin' river all the way down to the fence. It's completely flooded this whole back area behind the houses. And it's just flowing. Just crazy. Can you see that? How fast that's flowing. Absolutely insane. Here's the back of my house. This is the fence with the houses behind it. All water. It's all water all the way up there. All the way up to there again. More freak storms, man. I've never seen this many freak storms. It's just absolutely insane. There's our gas meter over here, and it's completely just buried. And here's on the ground. Look at all this ice chunks everywhere. Looks like it snowed. It's coming down so hard. Great big pieces of ice. Yeah. Huge chunks of ice. Unbelievable. Front yard's flooded. Everything's flooded. Too much water. Yeah. Just craziness. And it just keeps coming. The whole park drains right through here. It's just unbelievable. Here's a car going through there. Not quite as deep now as it was, because this few minutes ago was all the way up to the top of this, but now it's receded. So it's going down. A couple more storms like that, and everything will be drenched and ruined. Okay, talk to you later. Bye. Oh, wait a minute, here's the sky. There's some clouds. There's some pillow clouds. Some dark spots up there. And then nothing. Just plain blue skies. Yeah, here we go. Look at this. Look at this. Look what we got coming. This is what we got coming at us. See that? Big, huge clouds coming right at us again. Well, I hope that's moving the other way, because that's nasty looking.
There's a bridge in that car!
Dumbasses flying through there as fast as they can. Okay, talk to you later, bye.